guys, it's Ruthie and Clay Popo with the Popo Backyard Farm, and our kittens are 2 and 3 weeks old today. Well, actually not today, but last Saturday, and they're playing, having a good time. We got them a bigger box. We keep changing the box to keep them clean and stuff, so look at, they're all having fun. So their eyes are all open, and now they're starting to play. They sleep most of the time, but they just started playing. And these littler ones are 2 weeks, so they're still a little bit lethargic, and the bigger ones are 3 weeks, except for this one here was the runt of the litter, and she's 3 weeks. So we have here Barbie, she's playing, and Tiger's playing, Angel. So they're all having a great time. Tiny's playing. So they don't all have names yet, because the last two ones, what were the last two ones' names, dear?
Nancy and Chuck.
Oh, Nancy and Chuck are the last two ones. Sorry guys, I couldn't remember their names. So they're all getting...
That's because their mother's name is Maxine.
Oh yeah, their mother's name is Maxine. So Clay just thought it would be fun to give them all fun names. So, just for kicks. Sometimes we watch a lot of news. We named one cat Donnie, Maxine, Chuck, whoever we're watching that week of stories. Sometimes they get their names. So, hello Barbie. Are you playing, Barbie? Look at her running. So they're all having a great time. Just keep cleaning changing the boxes. We went to where is that, Lowe's, and got a few more boxes. It's just easier just to change the whole box, and that way they're clean. And even though the mother cleans them, just want to make sure everybody's healthy and all that. You two gonna wrestle? So, and they were all still nursing from their moms, should say. And look at little, who's Nancy and who's Chuck? The one with the white chin, who's that one?
Doesn't matter.
Well, we'll figure it out, guys. Are you having a good time there? Fluffy. And who's looking up at that box? The dog. He's been watching them. He's really safe with them. He's good with them. So anyway, that's the development of the kittens. And we will see you guys in the next video. Take care.